love, a business that I could be proud of. And Vita Divina has been that vehicle for me to be able to share not only my love for people, but my love for allowing people to get healthy and my love for allowing people to see success. I truly believe that success is our birthright. So as long as you believe that you can be successful, you can. I always say when people say, why me? I say, why not you? Why aren't you able to be successful? You are. You very well are. And it just takes for you to be able to have a level of belief and a level of faith. Both of them combined will give you the structure and the skills you need in order to perform well, even in this business. So, again, my name is Antoinette Johnson. I am a pioneer leader from the United States. And as Winnie mentioned, I have helped launch various countries around the world. And it started with my own insecurity. Let me give you guys a little bit of my background. I actually was introduced to this business by a young lady who I watched via social media lose up to, she lost 45 pounds in 90 days. I watched her transformation. I followed her. I followed her journey using these same products that I'm going to introduce you guys to today. And that alone I said, you know what? I have this stubborn belly fat that I've had since I had my daughter. At the time, she was about 6. My youngest was. And I'm like, why is it that I'm still carrying this around? No matter how many times I've tried different products, different things, and nothing seemed to have worked for me. However, I was like, what's the worst that can happen? I will buy this product from this young lady. It may or may not work, but at least I can say I tried. So I said to her, hey, I need whatever you had. At the time, she introduced me to 3 products. I said, I need it. If it works, I'll send some people to you. Word of mouth is one of the biggest ways that businesses grow nowadays. You tell somebody who tells somebody who tells somebody, and then before you know it, all these people are buying a product or going to see a movie or buying a specific shoe because you've told them about it, right? So she said, well, when you see results with these products, you can actually be a part of this industry and start to be able to help other people change lives as well. And I said, no, I have too much going on. I have a 9 to 5, I have children. I'm about to get married. There's so much I have going on. There's no way I can take on any more responsibility in trying to, launch a global business such as this one. And believe it or not, when I tried the product, I'll get into that in a moment. Let me go ahead and push through, and I'll finish my story when I get to the first product that I tried, because I don't want you guys to miss that specific point. Okay. So with this company, known as Vita Divina. We are headquartered in Ontario, California. Again, this is a US based company. Our opening of our headquarters office took place in April of 2019. However, the company has been in business since 2016, October of 16, which means that we are moving into our 5th year, which is overly exciting for me because most times companies such as this one don't really last, more than a year or two. However, Vita Divina is still stronger now than ever before and continuously growing and launching different areas of launching in different areas of the world. And that is because our CEO knew the importance of being completely debt free. We own our headquarters building. We own the manufacturing warehouse, which is inside of our headquarters building. We don't outsource anything. We don't have other people making our products and shipping them to us. They are all made in house. All of the orders are processed in our headquarters and they are shipped to over 50 countries around the world. And we have 11 different locations, international offices that also house some of our products in these places. So if you have family or friends that are in Colombia, Costa Rica, Dominican Republic, Ecuador, El Salvador, Ghana, Mexico, Panama, Peru, we have offices there already, okay? We have set up these offices where we ship product in bulk and you're able to operate in a way that you're able to pick up your products immediately, same day, and have access to these products immediately. Okay, if your country is not here, it is because it is in the process. We are in the works of launching so many different places, of course, our Zambia's, Namibia's, Jamaica, like she said, Trinidad and Tobago. We have so many different places that are hitting the ground. These are new ground breaking areas, and as soon as we get a large enough team, which is why you guys are here today. We will be able to also facilitate the opening of these international offices in your country. So trust me, it's in the works. All right, guys. So our CEO is Mr. Armand Puyo. His wife is Dr. Esther Ramos. Our CEO is a documented 8-figure network marketer. When I say he's amazing, he's a phenomenal guy. I've had the privilege to be able to meet him personally, and he's just somebody that you just love instantly. It's not like you have to learn to love him. He's just so open and so warm. And he knew the importance of being able to create what other businesses couldn't. Okay. And in that, he has created over 50 millionaires in the network marketing industry. All right. So on top of that, Armand was diagnosed with stage 4 stomach cancer. It's been a few years back. I think when I first met him, he told me it was about 8 years prior. So we're talking 11 years or so when he was diagnosed, to only have about 6 months to live. Okay. And his wife, Dr. Esther Ramos, who is also the co-founder and the product formulator. So she's responsible for putting together and creating the products that we now have in our line. Okay. She said, I'm not going to leave my husband's health to chance. I don't really want him to do chemotherapy, radiation. We know those things are toxic and poisonous. I'm going to go the natural way. Okay. I'm going to see how I can heal him with herbs and mushrooms and do it without those poisonous toxins. Okay. So she ran into, or actually found rather, the reishi, chaga, cordyceps, amongst other things, as she went around her and did her search. These things she located in Asia, different parts of the world, especially Asia. And these are the foundation of Vita Divina. Our CEO has a long-standing relationship with these because he was able to now, as of right now, he is free of cancer. Okay. His cancer has been eradicated from use of these products, amongst a few others that, again, I'll explain in the presentation. So if you are not familiar with reishi, chaga, and cordyceps, you should definitely look them up, because you can see how powerful the benefits of these products are. And these are housed in 99% of our products in our line. These things are in it. Okay. So that reishi, or better known as Ganoderma, sometimes Gano for short, it's known to defend against tumor growth and cancers. It improves liver function and detoxification. It helps to promote healthy heart and balance your blood pressure. It helps to balance hormones and fight diabetes. It also fights allergies and asthma, and it helps to reduce infections and viruses. Okay. And then the chaga, it is a dense superfood. It helps with anti-aging. It lowers your blood pressure, prevents and fights cancers, improves cholesterol, helps to fight inflammation, strengthens your immune system, which we all know we need that right now, especially in this day and time with the viruses and so many people being affected by it. And it also helps to lower your blood sugar. All right. Tay Divina Detox Tea. This is our flagship product. Okay, this is the bread and butter of our company. What we've grown to know is that everybody who tries it loves it. Okay, so if you have not tried our Tay Divina Detox Tea, you are doing yourself a disjustice. Okay, any living, breathing person who eats should detox. Okay, so that's what our tea is able to do for you. It is a one of a kind organic detox tea. It's all natural, made up of only 12 herbs and mushrooms. You have your ginger, your papaya, your chamomile, your blessed thistle, your holy thistle, your gano. Again, all of these things plus more help to make up the powerhouse of the tea that we have. Most people who use it start to feel the difference within 2 to 3 days of using it, and they start to see the difference in a week. I personally was able to use this product, and in my first 6 days lost 9 pounds and inches, which were visible in my pictures, which I thought I had the picture in here. I might have taken it out of this slide. Sorry, guys. But I had an amazing transportation as a result of using the Tay Divina Detox Tea. Those first 9 pounds, I was like, oh my God, wow, this is amazing. I, of course, like most of us do, I went to social media. I was excited. I shared it with everybody. You guys have to try this out. I shared a picture. I was very transparent and open, shared my before and after picture. And I said, This is 6 days, guys. I've dropped 9 pounds, and you can visibly see the inches that I've lost as well. And people were like, what is it? What do you have? I want to try it. And, so that was kind of how I launched my business. And I went back to the young lady. I said, okay, you got me. I'm one of those people that if I see it and I can see the potential and see that I'm able to make money in the business, I'm not going to walk away from it and leave money on the table. I almost will never do that. Okay. And so I said to her, how do I join? And I joined that same day that my Facebook post went off in the thousands of likes and comments, and so many people wanted it. And at that point, I hadn't even started using the capsules, which she also sold me, which was the Life capsule and the Atom capsule. Okay. So the Life capsule is our appetite suppressant. I loved it because it helped to suppress my appetite. I'm a sweet eater. I love cakes. I love pies. I love candy. I love muffins. I love biscuits. I love anything that is sweet and made up of like bread or bread substance. I love it. Okay. So when I had the Life capsules, or as I was using it, I felt that I was no longer as hungry during the day, especially, after I've ran around all day, having gone to meetings back and forth. I literally had to remember to eat, or remind myself to eat. Oh, hey, you haven't eaten today. Go get you something to eat, which was better for me that way, because usually when I'm in those meetings and I don't have time for lunch, I'll go grab the first thing I see, French fries, something fatty, something unhealthy, because I'm so hungry. And it's like, I just need to eat something quick. But with the appetite suppressant, I was able to make easier and better healthy food choices, like fruits and veggies, just to snack on, because I didn't really feel the need to eat, but I knew I had to eat. So I would just eat something healthy. Then the Atom capsule was the second one that I used, and it's our thermogenic fat burner. I love it because it allows you to be able to burn fat naturally. It boosts your metabolism, and it helps you to be able to burn fat and lose those calories and things that you've taken in. And it also gives you a boost. So if you're one of those people who work long hours, 12, 13-hour shifts, right when you feel like, oh, I cannot make it through the rest of this shift, try an Atom. Like, it literally wakes your face up in the first 20 minutes of taking it. All right. And then our HCG capsule. Here in the US, many women pay upwards of $500 for this specific type of capsule. Okay, if you're not familiar with it, HCG is the hormone that's produced in the female body whenever you're pregnant and you're having a viable pregnancy. That HCG hormone should double and triple almost daily, as your fetus and as your baby grows. So most women try to, get a hold of these HCG capsules, if they've suffered from a lot of miscarriages and things like that, so that their body is accustomed to that hormone that's produced in order to be able to do that. So imagine, something that people are paying upwards of $500 for, and you have it in our line of products for a fraction of the cost. For less than $100 for a whole bottle of 60 capsules, they can get this HCG in its purest form from us. Okay. Then you have people who love meat. I love me a good steak. I love me a good pork chop. I love me, to be able to eat meat sometimes. Our Ignite capsule is amazing for those folk because it is our digestive enzyme. So it allows you to be able to digest your food in a quicker way. So instead of, meat usually takes about 2 to 3 days to digest and break down before it comes out of your body. With Ignite, you're able to do that within like 12 hours or so. Our cheat capsule, along with our CX90, they're almost like one and the same. Everybody has the urge to cheat. So imagine having a product in our line that allows you to be able to cheat without the remorse, right? So you take a capsule or two capsules, sorry, right before a meal that's high in carbs and fat. So, you want that donut, you want to be able to eat a funnel cake, you want to be able to eat a pie, whatever it is you feel like, I've done good, I've been dieting, I've been eating right, but today I just want to have this cheat meal. I want some rice, I want some mashed potatoes. Like you're wanting these carbs and things, right? You take the cheat is able to eliminate those things and flush them from your system so that they do not store itself as carbs and fat. Okay. Same with the CX90. It's a food sprinkle. It's white. You pour it on your food. It's tasteless. It's odorless. And it helps to do the same thing. It solidifies the food that you ate. That way it passes through and comes right out without sticking and storing and grabbing on and trying to hold on inside your body. Okay. It's flushed out immediately. And then lastly here, I'm going to speak to our sleep and lose. It's pretty much self-explanatory. If you're one of those people who are looking for a good night's sleep, maybe you don't sleep, maybe you have insomnia, maybe, whatever the case may be, your body is so exhausted and tired, yet you just can't find a way to get to sleep easily. Our sleep and lose does that for you. It is infused or has melatonin in it, which helps you to get a good night's sleep. Plus, it's a fat burner. So you're able to sleep and lose weight at the same time, which is a double whammy and a win-win, if you ask me. All right. So here is one of my results pictures. I did what was called a 5-week trial. And I said, I'm going to go 5 weeks. I'm going to do 5 weeks of the tea. I'm going to do these Atom and Life capsules. And at the last of my 5 weeks, this was my final week. And my results, I started at 205 and I ended at 175. So as you guys can see, I lost a total of 30 pounds in that 5 week using our Tay Davina Detox Tea, the Life capsule, and the Atom capsule. All right, so here are some results from some customers. Day one, as you can see, she was at 229, 218 by day 7. Um, Day one at 219, 210 by day 7. And here's a guy, 279, 257 by day 7. And again, guys tend to lose a whole lot faster than women. I guess it's, the makeup of our bodies and the mass and the way we're structured. They lose a whole lot faster, especially when they contribute working out with it. My results, I specifically did not work out because, I'm gonna be honest, I'm a bit lazy, so I don't really care to work out. But I love the fact that our products work even for those who don't work out daily. Okay. And then we have our coffee line. All right, guys. So know that coffee is the number one most drank beverage in the world. Okay. So imagine you have coffee in your line that is one, amazingly good. It tastes so good. And two, it is also infused with that certified organic reishi. Remember, I gave you guys the benefits of reishi earlier on in the presentation. All of our coffee has that in it. Okay. So we have hazelnut latte, hot chocolate, mocha, cappuccino, regular latte, Tonkat Ali, and Sculpt. Now I'm gonna speak to sorry guys, the Sculpt and the Tonkat, which are these two. Okay, they are my favorite of the line. The Tonkat because it's a performance enhancement coffee. So imagine you need assistance with performing, and you can look at that in any way you want. So performing in bed, performing in the gym, performing in sports, whatever you need. This coffee with the Tonkat and it helps you to be able to perform better. It gives you that energy you need to perform, and it tastes amazingly good, guys. It tastes so good. It's really smooth. It's already kind of sweet, so of course you don't have to add any sweeteners or any creamers or anything to it. You can literally get you some hot water, pour the instant pack in it, mix it up, and drink it. It's amazing. And then our Sculpt coffee is our weight loss coffee. So again, we have a product that people love. Over 2.5 billions of cups of coffee are drank every single day. Every single day. So this is a multi-billion-dollar industry. Imagine you have a product that is accessible to you that is one, not only good, but two, helps people to lose weight. And the cost of these products are equivalent to the cost of any cup of coffee. So ironically, when you buy any of these boxes and you sell them at the retail value, you are selling them for about $2 to $3 per cup, which is the average cost or price of coffee anyway. Okay. Then we have a tea outside of our detox tea. This is new. At first we only had the detox tea, but I love that our CEO understands the importance of expansion. He's constantly adding products to our catalog, which means it opens up the ability for us to be able to make more and more money because he's always adding things that people love. Okay. So tea is the second most consumed beverage in the world. Brilliant. Okay, he's brilliant. So we already have coffee, why not make it an extra tea too? So we have black tea now and green tea. I personally love the black tea. It's my favorite of the two. I'm a black tea girl and I literally drink black tea every single night. So I love to drink it at nighttime because if you guys aren't familiar, those who are like Asian and, from those different parts of the world, you never really see them thick or heavy or overweight, right? They're always normally smaller framed and smaller people. And that's because they developed or understood the importance early on of drinking tea every single night. Okay. So they drink a warm cup of tea right before bed. Tea is their thing over there, right? So I kind of developed that same thing. You know what? I'm going to get my hot cup of tea every single night. And I love what it does for me. It makes me feel calm. It gets me settled, ready for bed. Again, our tea also has reishi in it. So you get black tea and reishi. That's all that's in the black tea. And you get green tea, and reishi. That's all that's in the green tea. So again, all natural products here. Here is a picture of our box. Our green tea is here, black tea is here. And then they also launched a Sculpt latte. So now you also get that same Sculpt. Remember, Sculpt is the weight loss coffee. You get it in a latte as well now. Our lean protein shake. I love our lean meal replacement shakes because one, they help to replace meals. So if you're that person who's on the go, you don't really have time to eat breakfast. Maybe you're not a breakfast person, or you don't have time to eat lunch, or maybe dinner. You have children, you're trying to get them in bed, get them ready for their studies. Maybe you have studies, you fed everybody else, but you haven't had time to eat. Make you a lean protein shake. Replace the meal, you'll feel full afterwards and no need to add anything to it. Okay, it's amazingly they taste amazing, they smell amazing. We have 5 different flavors now. These were our 3 original flavors, however we now have 5. Again, our CEO is always adding to our catalog, which is amazing. So we have it in strawberry, vanilla, chocolate, cookies and cream, and banana now. Okay, and so what I love about our protein shake, aside from other ones on the market, is that most protein shakes, you only get the protein in your shake when you buy it. But with ours, you get more bang for your buck, because not only do you get the protein, but you also get your servings of fruit and your servings of vegetables. Okay, your daily serving of both in your protein shake. And then for those who may not be using the shake to lose weight, you also can use it to gain weight. So a lot of people, not everybody's looking to lose weight. So for those that are looking to gain, you would simply have your meal and then also make a protein shake in addition to that. So you would drink 1 shake with every meal, or at least with 2 meals out of the day. However you choose, you can do it at your discretion, but you would add the protein shake into your daily food routine. Okay, Vita Essentials. I'm going to be quick about this because I want to get to the money, because I know that's what most of you guys have come here for, but I cannot pass up on the opportunity to tell you guys how amazing our foundation, liquid gold, and lipstick is. Usually when I do these, I try to throw on one of the lipstick colors just so you guys can see a picture or see it firsthand. However, today I'm actually in a rush. I'm about to run out the door, so I didn't have time to do that. However, our lipstick is great. You put it on in the morning and you're literally scrubbing it off at the end of the day. So less is more. You don't have to keep on applying it and using so much of it throughout your day. You can eat, you can drink your coffees, you can drink your teas, and you'll still end up with your lipstick at the end of the day, which is awesome. And then our liquid gold, that is also an amazing. It's 100% luxury oil. Many people use it for stretch marks, for dark blemishes and things on their face, for burns and things on their arms, or for your edges, for your hair, for your hands, overall body, just to replenish your body. Whatever you decide, it can be used for anything. It's 100% luxury oil and it works. It definitely works. And then lastly, there's our foundation. I love Vita's foundation because the foundation is literally for every woman. And I say that because we only have it in one color, and it goes on as a powder and it sets, goes on as a cream and it sets as a powder, but it conforms to your skin tone. So no matter if you're lighter pigmented, darker, lighter shaded, or darker, you only need the one foundation because it conforms to your skin color, which I love. So no need to buy, different foundations for summer and winter months when our skin is different colors in summer and winter, depending on how much sun we've had. You can just buy the one and it works for all seasons. Okay. So here's a picture of someone who used our Vita Divina foundation. As you can see, her face and her neck are the same color. That's one big thing about women. They want to make sure that their face doesn't look lighter or darker than the rest of their body. The foundation helps it to blend so it looks natural. Okay. Same thing here, same exact foundation that was in this picture is here. 2 different women. You can see their skin tones and colors are completely different. Everybody's different, but the foundation has blended with all of them equally, so they all look amazing. Okay, and then this here is my personal before and after. I know, guys, it looks terrible, but I had a allergic reaction in the picture on the left to some makeup. On the right is showing where I use cleanser and I use the liquid gold every other day to be able to eradicate those dark spots and things that were on my face. So this was an amazing transformation for me. Um, Here is liquid gold again. The picture at the bottom shows this lady has severe eczema. So dry skin, peeling, cracking, as you guys can see, to the left upper corner, that is healed and smoothed out from constant use of the liquid gold. All right, guys, now the money part. Okay, so let me go ahead and get to the money, because I know that's what so many of you have come to hear about. I can say this to you guys, and I say this in all sincerity. This business allows you to be able to retire from your full time if you want to, buy a house, buy a car, pay for your children's education, anything that you can think of, anything that is your why, the reason why you decided to join this call today, the reason why you decided to hear about this business. If you said to yourself, I want to buy a motorcycle, I want to be able to build a school, I want to be able to send my children to a private school, I want to be able to feed my family, whatever your why is, this is the answer to that. This is the answer to your prayers, okay? But I do have to read this income disclosure first. What I'm going to show you is just for illustrational purposes only. This does not guarantee that you'll make any money with us, because you do have to work hard in this business. So I'm not going to sugarcoat that. In any business that you launch, whether you're launching a restaurant, a shoe boutique, a clothing boutique, a hair salon, you have to put in work. You can't expect to invest into a business and then leave the business to run itself. So the same goes here. The average person who participates in this business makes anywhere between 500 to 2,000 US dollars per year, while some earn less and some earn much more. I will say, and again, we don't make any income claims. That's why I gave this income disclosure, but I was fortunate enough to be able to make over 50,000 US dollars in my very first year in this business. And that was just working part-time. So in 2018, when I joined in April of 2018, I was able to make that within a year's time in this business. So just imagine that for a second, and what that alone would be able to do for you, or be able to do for your family, or someone you know and love. Okay. So I want to simplify how we're able to make money in this business with our 50-50-50 plan. Okay. So this is the easiest way for me to do it. We get paid 50% retail profits, hand-to-hand sales, as well as website sales. So when you partner with us in this business, not only are you able to get the products at wholesale value when you become an affiliate, but you're able to sell them at retail value, which means for every single product that you sell, you get to make 20 US dollars for that product. And this is products you sell hand to hand, as well as your state-of-the-art website. As part of your registration, Vita Divina gives you a free state-of-the-art website that you can use to access, or people, friends, family, whomever, all around the world. So it doesn't matter what country you're specifically located in. You have access to a worldwide business when you partner with us. As many people as you can share your link with that make a purchase from your website, you get the commissions. So if you share your website to and with people in any of the 50 plus countries that we ship product to currently, and they all order from your website, you get to make money with us. Okay. The other way that we make money is by way of 50% fast track bonuses. So as you partner, you start to sell your product, people start to love the product. They're like, hey, I want more. My mom wants some, my sister wants some, my dad wants some, my neighbor wants some, my school teacher wants some, the people at my church want some, and then you say to them, you know what? I can't reach these people. I don't know all these people that you know. I need help to be able to get this product to everybody that we know and we love, and change as many lives as possible. How about you partner with me in this business? I can service this area, you can service that area. We can find people to service all these areas, and you start to build a sales organization. These are people who are going to help you to be able to sell product, and then as a result, they're also going to make money. When you do that and you bring people on board with you, you get to make 50% fast track bonuses for each one of those people. The fast track bonus is predicated on the bundle that they start with. Okay. So when you start, your investment is for you to get products. Okay. And so depending on which of the 4 bundles your partner chooses, you're able to make 60 US dollars, 150 US dollars, 300 US dollars, or 600 US dollars per partner that joins you in business. So again, my question to you is, how many people do you know who you can bring on board with you to help build your sales organization, to help you to be able to sell product that they are also going to make money off of, that they can also use and take to be able to help themselves or other people that they know? How many people do you know that you can share this opportunity with? Okay. And then the last way that we get paid, which is actually my favorite, as you begin to build this sales organization and these people are making money, the company says, hey, Antoinette, you brought these people in. Now we're going to reward you even more for doing so. As they begin to make money in the binary and they're collecting $1,000 per month or 2,000 or 5,000, whatever it is that the people that you personally brought in are making, the company is going to match that by 50% as a check match, which means that they still get to get their $1,000, $2,000, or $5,000 checks. But the company says you brought them in, we're going to match their check and give you 50%. So now you're making $500, $1,000, or $2,500 for each person that is making money in the binary. And this has no limit. So whether those people are making $20 and you get 10, or they're making $100 and you get 50, whatever half is, they're going to make theirs and then you're going to get 50% as a check match. It is an amazing compensation plan. Our compensation plan is second to none. We have been voted the #1 compensation plan the last 3 years now by Business for Home. So it's an amazing way to be able to get, again, quality products out to people, get people healthy, and make money as a result of sharing these products. All right, so let's look at it like this. This is an example of what I meant with the 50% retail sales, guys, okay? So you have a website. You send your website to 500 customers. Those 500 customers each order a product from your website. You get $20 for each of those 500 customers that have ordered from your website. That gives you a check of $10,000. I have a leader on the Namibia team. She said to me the other day, Antoinette, I have sold product I know to over 300 customers. And I'm like, wow, that's amazing. So let's just take her numbers per se. She's been in the company since September of 2020. So 2020, she just joined a few months ago, and she's already serviced over 300 customers. 300 customers times $20 is $6,000. Imagine what that can do for your family. Can it change your zip code? Can it change where you live? Can it change where your children go to school? Can it change the type of groceries you pick up now when you go to the market? Can it change the type of car that you now drive? Okay, and this is from September. So you're talking September, October, November, December, January, February. We're 5 months in. In 5 months, she's made over $6,000 in retail sales. This is not even including her fast track bonuses. And I know she's won 2 competitions that we've done so far where we have the team bring in at least 10 people in 1 month, and she's won an iPhone and now a laptop in those competitions. Bringing in 10 people at even the minimum package is $60 per person. That's an extra $600 for that month and $600 for the other month. But I'm sure she didn't just bring them all in at the smallest bundle. So I'm just giving you guys a clear view of how this compensation plan works if you do the work, right? So I mentioned those first 3 ways that we're paid: retail sales, fast track bonuses, and 50% check matches. We also have more. It doesn't stop there, okay? We're paid 12 different ways. And if I went over all 12, you guys would be so confused and it would be information overload. So I won't do all of them. Just know that, again, our compensation plan is very lucrative. It's amazing, and you will enjoy being a part of what we have here. Excuse me, guys. So we also have our Mercedes-Benz bonus, where Vida Divina will pay up to $500 per month towards a purchase or a lease of a Mercedes-Benz. The only caveat is that it must be within the last 3 years. They don't want you to have an old one. They want you to have something new. So your Mercedes would have to be either a 2019, 2020, or 2021, because we're in 2021. And then they will pay $500 towards it. And they want it to be metallic cardinal red. And that's because Mercedes-Benz has specifically given Vida Divina their own color. So that cardinal red is Vida Divina's color. And so they want your Mercedes to be red, and then they'll pay $500 for it when you reach the rank of Jade. We also have lifestyle rewards, the leadership summit at Rose Gold. If you have not been to the US before, get your passports ready. They will pay for you to come to the US to the leadership summit when you hit Rose Gold. We have our Pearl Retreat. We also have our Diamond Destination every single year. And to top that all off, we get paid on Visa cards here at Vita Divina. So you can either have your money put on this US Visa card, or you can have it transferred to your bank account if your bank account is compatible with our pay system. At Vita Divina, we own the e-wallet system. Okay. So we are the bank. We don't wait for somebody else to send out commissions to the team or to the partners. We send out money directly from Vita Divina to your bank account or to your Visa. Okay. And you can use these cards to withdraw from anywhere around the world that Visa is accepted. So we have teammates in different parts of the world, Namibia, Zambia, Jamaica, wherever, who are using these cards and withdrawing from your ATM machine the money that they've made with Vita Divina, or swiping these cards to buy appliances, refrigerators, stoves, whatever, at their convenience, because Vita Divina truly does pay. They pay like clockwork. You get your website commissions and your fast track bonuses on Tuesdays of the month, and then you get your team commissions on the 15th of every month. All right, so here are our starter bundles. All right, I'm going to make this short and simple. Okay, think about your network. Think about where you live, the people you know, the people you love, the people you don't know, strangers, anybody who you would want to tell about this product. Think about that for a second and make a decision on where you would want to start. If you start with 18 bags of tea, that's 18 week supplies. Okay, it's 135 US, and you are able to not only make your 135 US back, but a 225 retail cash profit on that bundle by selling each pack at $20. Okay. Then there is the 340 bundle. That's 48 bags of tea. You sell that, you're able to make your 340 back plus an additional 620 retail cash profits. The 680 pack gives you 96 packs of tea. You're able to sell those, make your 680 back plus an additional 1240 in retail cash profits. And then the retailer pack pro, it's 1360. I recommend these for people who are launching their own area. If this is your first time and you're the first person in your country or in your area who has the product, go big. That way you have product, you have enough to be able to share with your team as you start to bring people on board. You have enough to be able to make sales without running out of product, because we all know product on hand creates cash on demand. If you have the product in your hand, people are going to want it. If you have to wait for it, sometimes people are like, I don't know, maybe they'll spend the money before you actually get more product, or whatever the case may be. You always want to make sure you have enough of your product so that you never run out and you're always in a position to be able to make money from it. So you would spend $13.60, you make your $13.60 back plus an additional $24.80 in retail cash profits. Again, all of this is dependent on you selling each one of those sachets for $20 US per pack. Okay. Here's an example. I started with the Business Builder pack, the pack that costs $340 US. I got 48 sachets of tea. 48 at $20 per sachet is $960. Remember, I used 340 to start. So when I take back my 340 from the 960, I am able to walk away with 620 US dollars. And I did this twice in one weekend when I first started. I made over 1,200 profit in a weekend's time, in a 3-day time period. That's how popular it was when I used the product, became a product of it. I used it and posted my results. It just sold itself. I didn't have to do much selling. Okay. So now is your time to make a decision. Either you're going to become a customer, you're going to try one of our amazing products, see results like many of us did, and then decide to join, or you're like, no way, Jose, I'm not missing out. I'm not going another day without getting involved with this. I'm ready. I've tried the product, or I know people who have tried the product. I'm ready to see people's lives change, and I want to be able to bring this product to my town, to my city, to my location. I'm ready to join. And then you're going to join our team. So either way, you want to get back to the person who referred you to this Zoom call. Let them know that you're ready to get started. And we do these calls Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays at this same time, at this same Zoom. So make sure that you join us for the next one. Make sure that you invite somebody, invite a friend, tell a friend to tell another friend, get them on the call, allow them to hear this presentation for themselves, and start to build your own sales organization right away. Let people know that you've been introduced to something. This is going to be a blessing for you, and it can very well be the same for them. All right, guys, thank you so much for choosing Vita Divina. Make sure that you get back to the person who referred you to this call. Let them know I am ready to become a part of this wonderful team. I'm ready to, start with the products. I'm ready to get healthy. I'm ready, and we will get you guys started.